Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to buy an iPhone with Affirm, a full guide for 2025. If you're eyeing that shiny new iPhone but want to spread out the payments without hidden fees, Affirm is your go-to solution. It's a buy now pay later service that partners with Apple, offering flexible plans with transparent terms, no surprises. First things first, let's ensure you're ready to go. Affirm requires you to be at least 18 years old, have a valid US bank account, and pass a quick credit check. Start by downloading the Affirm app or heading to their website. Sign up with your basic details, like your email and phone number, and verify your identity. This only takes a couple of minutes, so you'll be set up in no time. Now, onto the fun part. Shopping for your iPhone. Fire up Apple's official website or visit an authorized retailer that supports Affirm, like Best Buy or the Apple Store app. Browse through the latest models, maybe that iPhone 17 Pro is calling your name. Add your desired iPhone to the cart, along with any accessories, and head to checkout. At the payment page, look for the Affirm option. Select it, and you'll be redirected to log in to your Affirm account. If it's your first time, Affirm will run a soft credit check. Don't worry, it won't affect your credit score much. You'll see customized payment plans, like monthly installments over 6, 12, or 24 months, with clear interest rates. Pick the one that fits your budget, review the terms, and confirm your purchase. Once approved, your iPhone will ship out, and you'll get a confirmation email. To stay on top of things, use the Affirm app to track your payments and make them on time. Remember, paying as agreed can even help build your credit. And there you have it. Buying an iPhone with Affirm in 2025 is simple, affordable, and stress-free. It's perfect for budgeting without sacrificing that new device excitement. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.